Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Boys section. Dear students, here is Akhtar Saeed, your English teacher. Today is lecture number 15, Unit 1, Light in the Night. Today's lecture is all bookwork. You are advised to open your books at page 11 so that you may be able to solve all the questions with me right now. We'll start with part B. Part B is working with words. Today's questions are regarding adjectives. So I would like to discuss adjective first so that you may be able to understand adjective. Then it will become easy for you to solve the questions. Definition: a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun is called adjective. It has 3 degrees that compare one thing with another. Let's see the examples. Number 1, Ali is an intelligent boy. Intelligent is a word that adds to the meaning of a noun Ali. So intelligent is adjective. Another example, he is wise. Wise is a word that is describing he, pronoun. It is also adjective. So these two words, intelligent and wise, add to the meaning of first a noun Ali, then a pronoun he. Therefore, intelligent and wise are called adjectives. Now we move to words. The formation of degrees, formation of comparative and superlative degrees, as I have discussed in the definition, that almost all the adjectives have 3 degrees. First degree is called positive degree, second degree is called comparative degree, and third degree is called superlative degree. Let's see. 1 or 2 syllable adjectives. The words having 1 or 2 parts are called mono or disyllable adjectives. These adjectives take er or est to make comparative and superlative degrees. For example, smart is a 1 syllable adjective. We will add er and est to make comparative and superlative degrees. So smart, smarter, smartest. Let's see another example, that is able. You know, able has 2 parts, 2 syllables. It will also take er and est to make comparative and superlative degrees. Able, abler, ablest. Let's see another example, that is of polysyllable adjectives. Polysyllable adjectives means the adjectives that have more than 2 parts, that have more than 2 syllables. For example, beautiful. Beautiful has 3 parts or 3 syllables. For example, beautiful. It will take more and most to make comparative and superlative degrees. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Let's see another example, that is important. Important is also polysyllable adjective. It will also take more and most. So important, more important, most important. Dear students, these 2 kinds of adjectives, 1 or 2 syllable adjectives and polysyllable adjectives, are called regular adjectives because they have a set format, they have a set rule to make comparative and superlative degrees. There are certain other adjectives which do not have any set format or rule to make comparative and superlative degrees. These are called irregular adjectives. First of all, good. Good does not have any set rule or format to make comparative and superlative degrees. So good, better, best. Let's see another example, that is of bad, ill, evil. All these 3 irregular adjectives have the same comparative and superlative degrees. Bad, worse, worst. Ill, worse, worst. Evil, worse, worst. So these are adjectives and their formation of comparative and superlative degrees. I hope you might have understood adjective and its degrees. Now we move towards question. Question number 1, that is, think of suitable adjectives to use with these nouns. You may choose words from the text or use your own. It is up to you. Here comes the question. Here are words from A to F. All these are nouns, and we will choose some words which will describe them suitably. First of all, lamp. Can you guess an adjective that may fill this blank? Here comes gas lamp. Dear students, you know gas itself is a noun, but how it can become an adjective? I tell you, a noun that describes another noun is called adjective. This gas is describing another noun, so the describing noun becomes an adjective. Gas is adjective here as it is describing lamp. But the nouns which are adjectives do not have superlative or comparative degrees. Part B, ladder, सीढ़ी को कहते हैं. Here comes the adjective long ladder. You may also write big ladder, etc. C is street. Here comes the adjective dark street. You can also write clean street, beautiful street, etc. D is work. Work is a noun, and adjective comes here hard work. It is rather easy because I'm sure you all are hard-working students. You can also write smart work, nice work, etc. Next is E, city. The adjectives may be big, fine, nice, large, populous, etc. Big city is rather easy for you. F, last but not the least of this question, light. Green light, red light, yellow light, etc. With this, this question comes to an end. Now we move towards another question, that is question number 2. It is very interesting, dear students. With the help of dictionary and after reading the words again in the passage, I mean in the story, give the meaning of each word given below. Also find a different meaning for each word. Here are the words. Now we are to select, we are to choose, we are to think of 2 words for each word here. For example, capital. First of all, we will give the textual meaning of capital. As we read in the story, London is the capital of England, as Lahore is the capital of Punjab. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. So here comes the word central. Actually, capital means central, as Islamabad is the central city of Pakistan. What may be the other meaning that should be different from central? That is big, as I can say that I have a capital share in this business. Big share, capital share. B is trip. What may be the textual meaning that is there in the lesson? It is stumble. You may also write slip, etc. The other meaning may be that should be different from stumble. I'm sure you know that is tour. You all like tours and trips during the colleges, when the colleges are on. Tour. Next is C. C is light. What may be the textual meaning? That is illumination. Illumination, roshni. What may be the different meaning rather than illumination? That is little weight, हल्का वजन जिसे कहते हैं. Next is D, crest. Crest means crown, as we have also our own crest, college crest. You know, there is written deeds, not words, and never forget what is written over there, deeds, not words, and follow it. Deeds, not words means you are to work, not talk only. What may be the next word? What may be the next meaning that should be different from crown? That is peak. You may also call it top. Next is issue. What may be the textual meaning? Textual meaning is problem. and other meaning may be topic. What issue you are discussing, what topic you are discussing. Next is F, that is the last but not the least, operate. Operate, the textual meaning is work, as I can say, how does your mobile operate? The other meaning that is rather, dangerous, to do surgery. Operate, operation is from operate, to do surgery. With this, dear students, today's lecture comes to an end. Please fill in the blanks, do all the homework on your book, textbook, and read it once again. If you find any problem, if you have any question, you may contact me in the feedback group. Take care. Thank you very much.